Hello, everyone. This is Crypto Mercy. Hope everyone is well. Just want to make a little update on Elrond technicals. Um, there's the Elrond DeFi 2.0 that is coming soon, and stacking will be available with all the providers on Maiar Wallet the 4th of April, which is Sunday. Uh, to make this quick, just want to show short-term and medium targets for Elrond. It looks like Elrond is breaking out of the triangle right now, even if it's not so easy to see. Let's take this, put this in place. This is why I think that we are breaking out right now. Even if it's not so strong, you know, my points are on the top of everyone here, here, here. This is looking good anyway. I sent possible retracement target yesterday during the evening to my members, and they were able to place some entries. Doesn't look like I check a couple of chart, and I'm on this chart of calculated by TradingView now on Binance. But if you take let's take the USDT. All right, let's try it here. Oh, this was crazy. Well, it's almost the same, but the triangle is much more beautiful here. Wow. Okay. And yesterday we retraced around 131 on the golden pocket. No, not yet. Not yet. Are we gonna come back to reach out the golden pocket around 130? It's a possibility. Everything is possible anyway. But let's figure out anyway, because this is a small wave 1, and wave 2 usually retrace at least on the golden pocket. Possible target for this breakout, which look at this hammer right here on the weekly chart. Looks pretty. Let's get the bottom of it here. Okay. Wow, this was $65. It's why I tried to. A lot of people are saying that we are in a wave 4 retracement on for Elrond, but this is clearly a second wave. If you take the FIBO on top here, and you try to reach the bottom somewhere here, we completely destroy the golden Fibonacci, and this is not a wave 4. This is a wave 2. It was too strong for that. And on the Egold USD, we can see that everywhere that we completely broke the golden fib. To figure out where we can go on, this is a classical charting triangle, bullish triangle, compression. Let's try to figure out a pole somewhere. This is possible, but you know, let's be a little bit more realistic. The pole here will be too high. Okay, maybe here. Okay, sounds good, look good. Anyway, it's just an approximation of the possible destination for this breakout. $255. Okay, if we take this pole here, a little bit higher than this, maybe 260. Okay, and if we go inside wave and we try to figure out what will be the destination of this small wave right here, if we don't retrace lower for sure. $192. $200 and 261.8. This is possibility for this. Let's just erase this and go back on the other chart. Okay. Let's take this out. Okay, bottom here, top here, bottom. You see, it's very close of what we get with the pole, what we got with the pole. But on this one, USD calculated by TradingView, I'm having different target with the pole, but this will make something like this. But this is very low for. But anyway, it's a probable target, and we. But if you take the let of wave 1 here, this is less probable in my opinion. We'll prefer maybe this target here, or even here at 418. Let's. Oops, sorry, someone is calling. Let's just try to figure out this destination. Oh, nice correlation right here. 250, 251, 249. I like this. So I think short term, it's possible that we're gonna go there if we continue to break out. I know we don't have a lot of momentum right now, but we just we just have a bullish cross on the MACD right here on the daily. Yeah, not so strong yet, but still there. And the RSI is rising, 55. If we can bring this to 60, will be very nice. Let's take a look at the resistance now. If we break out, we want to know where we can find probable resistance. Let's take this out right there. We have a great spot, I think. I'm gonna leave the rectangle right here, but I'm just gonna take this out. 251, awesome target. But we're gonna play the pole after this on that chart. Okay, I'm gonna. I'm not. I'm on the wrong side right there. Okay. Here resistance. Here resistance 162. Sorry. All right. Cool. 162. 180. 214. And after this, I think we're good. But we still have to make a new ATH to be able to fly and confirm a third wave on this third one, cycle third one. This is crazy. I'm just gonna try to update, make a video on this cycle wave to see where we can with all the new details that we receive. This is this one here. Okay, resistance right there. You can just remember those Fibonacci right here and put that on a piece of paper. If we are breaking out from here, now we're a little stuck under the 0.382. And let's take a look at the MA ribbon. The MA ribbon is compressing on the daily, which is very good. Wow, this is a nice compression, like I said before. And the MA moving average, we have the MA 50 under us at 139 with dynamic support with the 7 MA7 which is taking the lead right now and is in a bullish position. By the way, when you see MA7 crossing MA9, it's always good. And when you see the inverse, be careful. It's always when you see that the MA7 is turning, it's always a sign. I really like this. It's like my favorite MA for direction. And this is two great tools that Jim Cramer on CNBC really liked. MA7, MA9. If you're listening to Jim Cramer sometimes, he's so funny, this guy. Okay. I think you know those resistance right there. Just gonna erase everything here. Okay. Take out the MA. All right. If I'm taking a look at the weekly chart right there, and this was this was the pole I found on the monthly chart, I think. Yes. Let's copy this, bring this. Oh, same place. I was right on. Perfect. 318 for the pole from the monthly chart, and from the weekly chart, I think it's this one. Yes, I can even place it right there. A little bit higher. Sorry, I'm at 306, 318 probable destination, and if we break out, this is always it's classical charting. A lot of people are just using this all the time, and it's pretty fine. Like, just want to show you again on the daily chart. We're beginning to break out of this triangle. We're leaving it right now. Yeah. Okay, so let's erase all this. Just for fun, just want to see this. Yeah, 460, 689, 919. Cool. Please note also, sorry, because I'm not talking a lot right now. My music is very good, and but don't worry, I'm with you right here, even if I don't talk so much. Here we have a clear W, and then neckline is right here. It's why it's so important. 159 will be the next target, I think. So if we can go there, and there's a lot of wick right there. If we can break this 159 short term, will be pretty bullish for Elrond, for the Egold. And let's see in logarithmic mode where we are. I just show a chart today before. I don't know if you took a look at it. It's about Kusama, and Kusama was right on top of the logarithmic ascending channel. But we must understand that it's possible that we break those logarithmic channel. It happens sometimes. Anyway, it's clear right now that when you're taking out those points on the floor, that this channel is real and exists, even if it's the half of this one, which will be maybe our major logarithmic channel in the future. Like yeah, this will look almost like this. No. Anyway, I'm just playing around, and I'm an artist. That's why I'm playing this. One thing that it really really nice about this is that we break the neckline here. This was the neckline of this W right there, and we retest it, have support, and we are continuing our ascension right now. I'm gonna show you the pitch fan, sorry, from here. Okay, right there. Wow, this is I like to see this. And if we are going, all right, it's always better here. We can see the resistance right there, here, and the empty space. This is always a critical place. And look at that. If we are, it's possible that we can retest the top of this. Let's see. Sometimes we can find a correlation with what we just made before. Where this is $584 if we break soon. It's a little bit high, but let's place. I like to do that. Play with short-term logarithmic too to find the resistance. Hope you see well. right there. I'm there. I'm there. Perfect. You see, we just broke the we just we are breaking out of this triangle, and at the same time we're breaking out of this Fibonacci right here, and it's nice to see. On top of this, we have 187, 185. Those things are always nice to watch. Let's do it from here. I did it before, I think so. Yeah, this one. Let's try this summit right here instead of the other one. This is giving a different perspective a little bit. Support there, top here, top there. And if I change it here, yeah, you see we can touch we can find the summit with this resistance right here, and here we see that there's a support right there, and this fall right on the support on the fib line. And from here to the bottom, resistance, top, support, but this one is less it's not the best place to place it anyway, but it's more to show the resistance here. But from there, I did it before. Yeah. Think that we have the very nice perspective on this one here. You saw it. This is very easy to use the pitch fan, but you can find Fibonacci resistance support. It's always playing on those lines and playing around. And you see here the big push. Woo! Because there were no resistance up there. Big hole and flush. And now we're coming on right on support. And it seems that Elrond really liked this blue line right there. For I don't know, it's far away, but this is might be a destination someday. But no insurance of this. And if we play this for funny from here, just take a look there. Bottom will be here. Top will be there. You see, it's cool to watch. Very cool to watch, even if you know it's not the best tool ever to. But sometimes you can find different things. I like it. Like example, if you were here on top and you take the bottom here, you see this empty space right there, and the bounce, this support, resistance. You hear support, but we lose it, and was another line that we don't see here. But anyway, just want to show you this, guys. For now, we must be aware of. I must warn everyone that it's always possible that we go lower, even if I see a nice W here. There's always this possibility, and I told that to my members that we retrace lower, but the Fibonacci from there, want to show you, we reached the golden fib, the golden pocket was reached, and big support right there. It was bought really fast. Yeah, W right there. And do we have a W on the RSI? No. Let's take a look at this daily RSI, and we'll just take a last look on the candle to see. Yeah. Still pretty though. Here we see where we are starting to change our direction on the weekly chart with the RSI. Short term, it's a little harder, but on the weekly chart, we can see this new trend on the upside. For now, 76 on the RSI. It's pretty bullish over 60. You know, when they will take the N, it's gonna go higher and very fast. I just forgot what I want to show you. Candle, the candle. Okay, on the monthly chart here, we just closed recently, and we made this shooting star. But the great thing here is that we didn't make a double top. We had some support here, and you know, we opened there, but we closed higher, which is pretty good. On the monthly chart for candle reading is the best chart ever. You know, you don't quit until you have a sign of reversal. Those signs can be found on the 2 week, like here. We had this retracement here. This was a double top right there. This was a double bottom. You can use the 2 week chart to figure out the trend and what's probably gonna be printed on the monthly chart, but it's still far away to compare to the monthly chart. It's the half in a time frame. But one thing that it is important that you need to know is that in technicals with candle reading, always pick the last pattern and keep playing this pattern until it change. Here was a bearish pattern, a double top right there. We found that on the weekly chart a little bit before, double top on the February 15. It was confirmed a little bit at the same day. Probably we had more signs of this before in earlier time frame. But what I want to say is that here we had a double bottom. Just stay inside. Hope you bought here at 130, some things like this, or even lower, 119. We had a chance to buy here. But right now the trend is up for Elrond until we have a confirmation of a reversal, and we don't have any double top yet. And we're still making a hammer right now, which is bullish. With it's closing in 10 days. Anyway, it's far away. Here, same stuff in 3 days on the weekly chart. Sunday we'll have a close, but right now it's bullish. On the daily chart yesterday we had this bearish close, but we just it looks like we want to stop this right away by forming a double bottom. And we just made a new eye, which is good sign for Elrond, really. And we had this bullish cross right there. We had this bullish cross in 27th of March on the daily. On the weekly, do we have a bullish cross yet? Nope. Nope. Nothing bearish yet. Still pretty straight. Accumulation zone when you see those kind of things. And on the monthly, like I said, looks pretty good right now. If you're always in front of your chart, you can use the 4-hour chart to try to catch double top and double bottom, and sometimes you can make a lot of money by doing this. But I don't have time for this. I'm taking a look at a lot of coin and a lot of project, and monthly chart for me is the best place to play. And I don't know if you guys saw my candle reading video, but it's pretty cool. You should take a look at it. We had this double bottom here from for Elrond November 2020, 1st November at 737. If you bought here after that confirmation when the candle closed and confirmed this double bottom, if you bought at $9.17 in November, and you're still in the trade right now, and you're what? You're 1,500% profit right now on it with Elrond. If you did that, it's why I'm always telling everyone to do this and playing a monthly chart. Probably a lot of people that are following me and looking at my videos know how you can play Bitcoin too. We had that confirmation of a double bottom here. The confirmation right there after the close, the 1st of October 2020, and since no confirmation of any reversal, and look at this bullish engulfing right now. If you did that double bottom, you bought here after that confirmation, you're still up right now 325%. That's why I like to play more. Like to play Elrond more profit. It's almost this, guys. Hope you like. Sorry, the music is good, and I was not sure that I was going to do this with you, but this afternoon. But I think just want you to know that the breakout is occurring right now. Even if people thinks that it's not moving so fast, be patient. Pretty positive about Elrond right now and what's going on. And I wish you the best. Good afternoon, good evening, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow, guys. And thanks for pressing the thumbs up and the ring.